How to fix promo code not working on TapTapSend. Now, if you're having this issue, the first thing that you'll need to ensure is that it is your first transfer. Almost all TapTapSend transfer promo codes are only valid for first user transfers. So if you already send money, the code will not work for you. So this is the first thing that you'll need to ensure. If it is not your first time transferring money, then the promo codes would not work for you. But however, if this is not the situation, you'll also need to meet the minimum transfer amount. So codes typically require a minimum transfer amount, which is normally around $20 or more. So if you are sending less than $20, then you won't be able to apply the promo codes. Also make sure to check the promo code, and if you've added any source spaces, that also would not work out for you. Now lastly, if none of these solutions are working out for you, the last thing that you need to make sure is that you verify your account. The codes may fail if your identity has not been verified, especially if TapTapSend has requested your passport or your ID for your first transfer. So once you ensure all of these things, you should be able to fix the promo code not working on TapTapSend. If this video was helpful to you, leave a like. That's going to be all for today. I'm going to see you in the next video.